Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, it's Liz. So right now it is 6:39 in the morning, and I figured I would start vlogging now, so that way I had the intro ready for you guys, because I wanted to make sure I had the intro, especially since it's Friday morning. I'm trying to make sure. I want to keep that. Sorry, I'm going through my emails, so I'm kind of trying to read my emails. Alright, but yeah. Sorry, I've been having an issue with YouTube lately. I haven't been able to see the TV shows I paid for, so I've been trying to get YouTube to fix it. I forgot WD-40 to fix that fucking thing. Alright, listen now, I'm like volleying off with everything here. But yeah, I've been trying to work with YouTube to try to fix it because I cannot see my TV show list. And, yeah, I paid hundreds of dollars for TV shows, and I can't even see that dang on list. And they're like, oh, well, you can, search up what you want to watch. What's the fucking point in having a My TV and movie playlist that y'all added if I have to go searching it up in the search bar? Why put that tab there if you're gonna make me go search it up? That's the opposite of it. And the point is, you have that tab. I paid for it. It should be in that tab that says my movies and TV shows. Why can I not see what I paid for? I paid for it. I should be able to see it. Like, I cannot see the TV shows that I paid for at all. If I had to go to movies and TV, and then I go to like the tab for mine, I'll scroll down to like the section for the TV shows, and when I go to see more, it tells me error loading on everything across this phone, my regular phone, that phone down there. It does it for all of my computers. Well, on the computers it's just a blank screen. Just a blank screen. It'll show the YouTube emblem in the corner, in like the top left corner. That's it. It shows nothing else in the computers. On the phones, even on his phone, because I hooked it up to his phone, and it still tells me error loading list. That's they can't find anything wrong. There has to be a coding issue. There has to be a coding issue or something. There has to be something wrong. I can see my movies. I can see the movies I paid for, but not my TV shows. So something's going on because I can see one list, but I can't see the other list. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm just frustrated. And this has been going on for weeks. I've been having this issue for weeks. Alright, so it's 5:55 in the morning. Oh, I actually didn't realize that it was dark in this spot. She is like really enthralled in my sweater. Like, I don't know why she wants my sweater so bad. But it's like my sweater keeps drawing her. And yes, I'm sure that's my sweater right there. Right there. Come. It's mommy baby time. Yes, it is mommy baby time. Mommy baby time. The baby. You gonna lay? You gonna lay? Where's my baby gonna lay? But yes, every morning. Why are you licking then biting me? She was licking then biting me. What are you doing? Hey, that is my headphones, you stupid bitch. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna just plop right on down. Yeah? Yeah? That was the whatever the machine that was. Coffee pot. Golly. Alright, so it is 7 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, Sunday morning. I almost dropped my phone. What? What? What are you doing? You absolute weirdo. You absolute weirdo. What are you doing? And she is purring like nobody's business. Right? Right? You are just being adorable. I don't know how well you guys can hear. I'm going to try to get it close to kind of hear. She's sniffing. She was sniffing the screen and she ended up pressing a button, so it ended up ending the clip. So that was the reason why that clip ended so abruptly. But yeah. Hopefully that caught it. If it didn't, I'm sorry. I was trying to get it, and she was sniffing the camera at the end of that clip. Right, my tiny tootie? She is comfortable. And I just put the blanket on her to see if she'll actually lay like this or if she'll move. Because I know she originally went here to lay down with me. What? What, you want to come up here? I'm not gonna keep sitting up like that. I would like to lean back because it is absolutely more comfortable. Now, if you want to be petted, you can come up here a little more. And yes, I'm being a little lazy because I don't want to sit up all the whole time. Leaning back is actually a lot more comfortable. Definitely a lot more comfortable. Sorry about the noise. We do have the washing machine going, which is like right back there, where that door is. Yes, our washroom is in the kitchen. That's just where it was when we bought the house, and we don't care as long as we have a room for the washer and dryer. All right, so right now it is 6:43 in the afternoon. Why did I come in here? There's a reason why I came in here, and now I don't know why I came in here, which sucks. Yes, now I remember why I came in here. I remember. Wait, I remember. I wanted the bag that was in here. I was coming in here for the bag. But trying to make the vlog as long as I can because I'm afraid that it's not very long, but I could be just psyching myself out, I guess. I don't know. But I am gonna plug the laptop in so that way I can. Where the fuck is? There it is. So that way I can make sure it's actually charged. I don't know if I'm gonna edit the vlog tonight or I'm gonna edit it tomorrow. I don't know. I have to see. Alright, So I'm gonna end the vlog here, you guys. I actually forgot that I did not end the vlog. Um, so this vlog is gonna go up Monday morning. I didn't know whether I wanted to put it up tonight, which is Sunday night, or tomorrow morning, Monday morning. Um, but it's looking like, obviously Monday morning, because you see I'm in bed. I'm not busting the computer out. He's about to come in like 2-3 minutes. It's going to take me 2-3 minutes just to set up. So it's going to go up tomorrow morning. I do apologize. I ended up just taking advantage of the time and just watched TV with him. I do apologize, but by the time I got home, it was already almost 7 o'clock. Excuse me, by the time I got out of the shower and everything, it was almost 7:30, so yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog for today. If you did, please like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!